How to transfer Shein points to another account. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will be directed to the home page. At the bottom, you're gonna find a fin option. Navigate to the option of Me. Once you're in this page here, you're gonna find the fin option. Click on this option of points given over here. Now in this page, you're gonna find the total available points in your account. Once you're in this page, you will find a fin option, but you won't find the option to transfer the points. Unfortunately, there's no button or option within the app or website to directly send points to another account. However, there is a workaround if you are really determined. Here's the process. First, go to your Shein account and withdraw all funds, including any points that have been converted into redeemable credit, to your credit card. Then log into a second account where you want to use the points. Add the same credit card as your payment method and use those funds in the second account. It's worth noting that this isn't a true point transfer since you'll be using funds instead of points in the new account and it might not work for everyone. And that's about it. Hopefully this workaround gives you a potential option. If you try it out, let me know in the comments if it worked or if you found any other methods. Thanks for watching.